Hi dear viewers of my channel. Today is a replanting day because my windowsill grown strawberries got longer roots and they are coming out of their small pot drainage holes. So I have to remove them and pot them into larger pots. These new pots are purchased from the 99-cent stores and have narrow bottoms and wide surfaces. This shape will be beneficial for the roots of my berries, as appearing in a wider pot will give them more space to spread out and produce larger strawberries. Although you can notice a pink tip on one of the hanging berries, but it's so small that you can't even imagine that it's a real strawberry. So for the beginning we have to make some holes on the bottom of the pot so the roots can breathe and the excess water may go away. What can you do if you don't have a drill? I myself am using X-Acto knife, the narrow one. First of all, you have to place the pot upside down so it will be easier for you. Then I am using one of my old X-Acto knives because in case something happens I won't regret of using it. So I'm warming this up until it gets hot, and see, it's changing the color. It means it's already hot, so I can use it. Now I'm going to try to make some type of hole here. You should not have any difficulty while cutting this in case you are doing it right. So you are just warming this up. Sometimes it may start burning because some of the plastic may remain on the X-Acto knife. Let's see, I already did this one, but I need to just press it and that's it, it's gone. Well, now that the holes are pre-X-Actoed or pre-drilled, because I didn't have drill, I X-Actoed them, you may place some rocks on the bottom. Because I couldn't find any other rocks, I used my decorative rocks, which I was keeping in this glass jar. I'm putting just 6 of them, not to cover the hole. Well, now that I watered the soil, I'm using a simple pack of organic potting soil, bought from 99 cents. Again, it says made from all natural and organic ingredients. Hope this is 100% true. Okay, so I already watered the soil and I'm going to take this strawberry plant from a small pot and move it into a large one. Let me do it with 2 hands, I can do it one. Well, after placing the plant on top of the soil that I had, I'm going to cover it until I get to the stem on top and until I have enough soil for the plant to grow. Well, the repotting process is finished and only the watering is left. I'm gonna water this and place it outside, or maybe for 2 days I'll leave it inside and then for the roots to get strengthened, and then I'll place it outside. Well, dear viewers, from a far distance you may think that this is aloe because it looks like aloe, but when you come closer it turns out to be Kalanchoe. It's very useful plant, especially if you don't want to use medication when you have sore throat or when you are coughing or sneezing during the flu season in the year. It starts from late September and goes all the way till spring. Then you may use this by dropping some into a plastic bag to squeeze the juice of the leaves. Just 2 drops into your nose of this juice and you will start sneezing. Later you will get rid of any type of flu. Let me show you from a closer distance so you can see how they grow. They give smaller babies on the leaves, and then these babies drop into a soil and start growing new plants. This is their way of multiplying. They give roots right while being on the leaves, and when the leaves get chubbier, you may just do like this and then plant them separately in a pot, and they will grow and give more of these plants. Just one Kalanchoe may give you maybe 100 or more per season, by the way. Right after I moved the strawberries into larger pots, I have placed new habitants on my windowsill. These are my bell peppers called bell boys. So I have purchased this from 99-cent store, and let's hope that they grow happily.